Crypto Bros, I'll guide you through OKX copy trading in this video, okay? I'm gonna guide you step by step what this all means, how you can copy, and how you can use OKX copy trading to benefit. Before we start, look, now we are having with OKX a special deal, and before 30th April, if you're watching this before 30th April, this might be interesting to you if you want some free USDT, if you need some bonuses for trading on OKX, and basically free USDT. Use my link down below in the description for registering. If you already have OKX account, you can create another one with this link. If you want to get the flash deal, so basically if you pass KYC, make first time trade of 500 USD and you receive 50 USDT just for free, okay? But this is only for 10 users selected at random. And the same, the second deal is basically a first time deposit of 1,000 and then you get 20 USDT, but this is limited to 20 users, okay? And remember, only before 30th April. So if you're watching this before, you still have a chance to do it. And look, if you get more than 100k volume, there is the reward of 60 USDT as well. So a couple of rewards, couple different rewards. Make sure to use it if you haven't yet. Now let's go to the copy trading, okay? So now we are at the copy trading dashboard. And look, what is basically a general idea? What is copy trading? If you don't know, copy trading is that you can track other traders. You can track the history of their trades, what coins they trade, what they have generated during their trading history. You can see everything, all the trades they're open. And if you like what they are doing, you can copy them. And thanks to this copy trading, you can basically follow them. You can choose how much you want to put for the copying their trades. They of course get a cut from the profits, okay? So it is also these traders' business to get as much people as possible to copy their trades. Now we are at the OKX copy trading dashboard, and you can see my feed, market board, and this is what's gonna be important for you. So basically here you can search different traders. Now you can see overview, P&L percentage, P&L, this means profit and losses, copy traders, profit and losses. You click more, you can see the win rate and the AUM. Now if you see P&L percentage, you can see, for example, this one is plus 600%, this plus 572%. Now the market is going up, so I'm not surprised there's many profitable traders here. But remember, you need to watch out, okay? Look at the bigger picture. If you are looking for traders, you need to look at their whole history. You need to zoom out and see how they have been performing previously and on which coins, because some of them only have a history. It can be like plus 2000%, okay? Imagine someone is using 50x leverage and they are 2000% when it comes to P&L in the last 30 days. It can happen only with one trade. So don't only copy traders that have small history, okay? Just look at the bigger picture. If you like the trader, then you might go for it. Now remember, this is very risky because still you don't know the person, you are risking your money, so always do your own research. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research, okay? Always do your own research. Now we are at some traders page. I'm not gonna show you the name so that you don't copy this. Just as an example how I would look at these traders. So for example, look at the whole history, 30 days. For example, that one has been performing very well, plus 238%, but last 7 days is minus 11%, okay? Now, ongoing orders, you can see ongoing trades and what they are doing. So, for example, this trader is trading like 50x leverage. It's quite risky, actually very risky. Shorts on Bitcoin, on Arbitrum, on Ethereum, on Solana. You can see the current P&L and P&L in profits. You can see the whole performance. Total P&L is once again is plus 136%. The portfolio is 200% in Ethereum position in the perpetual, 146% in Bitcoin. And thanks to this, you basically check the whole data that OKX is giving you. Thanks to this data, you can decide, okay, let's say I want to skip this trader, I don't like his performance, or you say, okay, I like this trader, I like what the trader has been trading in the past, and now I want to follow him, okay? But it still doesn't mean that you just put your money there and you forget, okay? It can be for like 2 days, but then after you need to come and of course check what has been happening with the trader, and if the trading didn't go crazy, okay? You need to still look and still check the traders that you follow, so that they don't do anything stupid. Now, but the good thing and the thing that I really like about the OKX Copy Trading, you can see the whole history, when they open the trade, when they close the trade. For example, this trade was open for like 2 weeks, and thanks to that you can understand, okay, this trader is closing, let's say, a trade after 5 minutes using 100x leverage, and what, even though some trader using this method is up 1000%, for long term it's like gambling, okay? Now you also can see the leaderboard, so the best performing traders, you can follow them, track what's happening basically. Look, the best one has plus 14,000% now, and the P&L has been growing for a year. It's been quite a long time since this trader is trading. But look, last 3 months are basically down, or like little bit up. So for sure now, if you are willing to do it, you can use the vacancy reminder trader, as in if the trader is full, and for sure do the whole research. So do not rush into some trader you see, okay? Do a whole research in here on your own.